Hello again. This is a part 2 of how spirituality combines our traditions. You can call me Umakosi Umpilo Asimhlengekas. So I'm going to be carrying on from my previous video, which is labeled part 1 under the same topic. Sigcine kwiphathi yama-chakras and how it all works regarding indaba ukuthi ihlanganisa kanjani ama-traditions wethu ukuthi umoya munye ekugcineni. So sizobe siqhubeka lapha kuma-chakras basically nanokujula kwawo and how it comes about to i-Kundalini awakening. Kundalini awakening is another topic, a very, very serious topic and a deep topic edinga nje series, but angeke ngize ngidelve deep kakhulu kuyona as it needs more descriptions because ijule kakhulu ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi angeke ngize ngivele nje ngikhulume ngayo unless nizokhomenta and pursue ukuthi ngiyenze i-video okanye i-series regarding i-Kundalini awakening. So ngizobe ngiqhubeka lapha ku-topic yokuthi umoya munye kanjani. Sigcine lapha kuma-chakras nanokuthi ama-chakras lawa esinawo alele kwi-spine sethu, which are 7 chakras, with each chakra represented by a certain color. It vibrates at a certain color as well. So kungena kanjani no ukuthi leyo mbala leyo kungani kwayona ibalulekile. Imibala ibaluleke kakhulu kamoya nangokwenyama. Ngokwenyama by izinto thina esizigqokayo izo-amplify kamoya ukuthi umbala othile uvibrate ngendlela ethile. One thing is that yonke into vibrates at a certain level, everything vibrates at a certain level. Yonke into, whether ngabe it is made by men okanye i-part of nature, and a part of nature vibrates at a very high frequency. I'm gonna delve deep into local regarding the vibration yezinto around us, especially izinto nature, and how you can use that vibration to your advantage or how to communicate nayo. So back to ama-colors and their vibrations and how nathi esicontributayo khona ukuthi ku-vibrate nathi at a certain level in order to invoke some of our energies lawa alele kithina. Because as I said, these chakras are located kuthina in the spinal cord kamoya, and lama chakras lava are doing balance. They need to vibrate at a certain frequency wonke abe aligned in order nawe ka physically ngokwenyama uzokhona nawe ukuthi ube aligned. So lama 7 chakras lawa, oqala i-crown chakra le ebalapha ngaphezulu ekhanda, ngisho ukhakhayi. Ukhakhayi ubaluleke kabi, even from izingane sizonaka ukuthi ukhakhayi uyanakwa kakhulu ngoba usuke uphefumula uthi mawukuthi uyawubhadla uyabhaka ukuthi ukunakekelwa kakhulu, even ukhakhayi wengane. Then sibe ne-third eye, nayo ibaluleke kakhulu. Ngizobe ngizowachaza right after sengiwabizile. I-third eye iba nje lapha esiphongweni, right between amehlo wakho but ngaphezulu, maybe around the eyebrows. And then the throat chakra eba lapha emphinjweni, the heart chakra eba lapha ngasenhliziyweni nje esifubeni. Then uyehla kube solar plexus, uwehle kube ngathi uya ekugcineni komgogodla wakho, which is a sacral chakra, and then uzofike lapha ekugcineni nomgogodla wakho, lapha okuphela khona umgogodla wakho, uthi uma uhlala uzwe ngakhona ithambo lelokugcina, which is the root chakra. I-root chakra ibaluleke kabi ekuthenini wonke lama ama-chakras angeke aze abe aligned if i-root chakra yakho ingekho right. And each of these chakras are represented by ama-colors wakhona. For instance, i-root chakra is represented by red, sacral chakra by orange, solar plexus yellow, heart chakra green, the throat chakra blue, third eye ibo purple, and then a crown chakra kubo violet and purple. So lama-colors lawa abaluleke kabi. If you will notice izinto eziningi kamoya even kuma-traditions wethu uhlezi ukhona umbala. Why is that? Why imibala ibalulekile kwizinto ezizenzayo? Whether ngabe uthungisa amajazi kuba imibala ethile, kuthi noma one of your guidance okanye isithunywa sakho sizofika sizoletha ijazi elithile eliyimbala ethile, wena angeke sithi isithunywa sakho sidinga ijazi eliwuyelo, wena uhambe uyothungisa ublue. Awusenzi lokho okufanele ngoba sona isithunywa sakho sikamoya siyazi ukuthi wena udinga ini kuwena ukuze uzokwazi uku-amplify, ngoba shuthi sona lesi sithunywa sakho silele kakhulu kuleyo energy. Because manje this topic ejule kabi, le topic yakamoya, le topic yemibala, and a lot of people underestimate indaba yembala a lot. So back to indaba yokuthi ikhombana kanjani. So these colors ngizobuyela, I'll make another video regarding amajazi nemibala yakhona and the significance of imibala yakhona, nanokuthi why ibile mibala leyo specifically. And as a reminder, because ngisho ukuthi I have a lot of information to upload, whether ngabe iyafika emadlebeni akho okanye ayifiki, I know that izofika kumuntu wadingayo. So just sibuyele back la kulama colors la, and how ilo umoya combines our traditions. If uzoqala ukubheka kahle, le mibala le siyayigqoka nathi physically as a representative of into ethile esibhekene nayo kamoya, okanye as a representative of i-tradition yethu. Ngizokwenza umzekelo ngesintu futhi. Isintu uzothola ubuhlalu bethu bumabalabala emihle imbala le, kuba orange, kuba yellow, kuba red. And then uphinde futhi uzobheka ngesimo lesi sezangoma, the traditional healers, uthole ukuthi ufaka ubuhlalu obuthile ezandleni, ufaka ubuhlalu obuthile emaqakaleni, esemqaleni, esekhanda, anywhere in the body, but ufaka ubuhlalu obuthile uhambisana nembala ethile. Uthi uyambuza asho ukuthi hhayi, lo mbala lona ungimelele ukuthi, lo mbala lona ungimelele ukuthi. Yes, isidala sifikile sacala umbala othile. Why sacala umbala othile? Ngoba uyazi lo mbala othile lo uzowunyakazisa lapho kumele unyazise khona, lapha kwi-sacral chakra, because the sacral chakras la, for instance, the whole reason why ngikhuluma nge-sacral chakra, because sacral chakra i-orange, and mina njengamanje I'm wearing ubuhlalu obu-orange, and I know that the whole reason why ngibugqoke lo buhlalu obu-orange is because shuthi isidala sami sifuna ukuthi ngi-amplify that part of me. Because if uzoqala ukubheka kahle le mbala le and these sacral and these chakras wonke anendima yayo eyidlalayo kithina physically nakamoya. So waqala kamoya abelowo mbala loyo kamoya, basically ngingasho ukuthi siphelele, kepha asazi inyama khona lapho isala khona. That's why kuhlala udinge ukuthi wenze ezinye izinto ukuze inyama yakho izothi ukuba buthakathaka, ukuze umoya wakho uzokhona ukufinyelela enyameni yakho. So ama-chakras lawa, le for instance uba i-root chakra, i-root chakra irepresentwa u-red, and u-red regarding nje i-root chakra iqonde ubuwena, isiqu sakho, impande yakho, ukuthi wena usukaphi, ukuzazi. Kubalulekile ukuzazi, otherwise wonke lawa ama-chakras alandela ngaphezulu, it's like istebhisi. If ezansi kubheda, angeke uze ukhona ukufika phezulu, angeke uze ukhona ukugibela lesitebhisi ukhona ukufinyelela lapho kumele ufinyelele khona. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi siyithathe njengesitebhisi ukuthi ufanele uqale udlule la, and each step must be so stable in such a way that it will be able to carry your weight. Why ngibeka kanje? Ngenxa yokuthi uma usufikile lapha phezulu, angeke uzovele ufike phezulu kumele ufike phezulu ngoba uzoshayeka. If uzovele ufike kwi-crown chakra represents spirituality, crown chakra represents knowledge kamoya, crown chakra usudlule kuwo wonke lama ama-chakras laba akisayo step by step. That's why you find that abanye abantu bayagijima bagxumela umoya ungaphambili kunabo bese befike bayashayeka athi umuntu mina ngihambile ngayowenza ukuthi kepha impilo yami iyabheda, mina ngihambile ngayowenza ukuthi kuthiwa umuntu akasaphilile kahle ngekhanda udla impande engamelanga ayidle. Ngenxa yokuthi khona lama-steps la ufike waweqa wena wafike wahamba uyovusa lapho ngamele uvuse khona ekubeni kusakhona okunye okusele ngemuva bekumele ukuvuse. So I'm going to go step by step nalama chakras lawa. For instance, ngiqala nge-root chakra which is represented by urete le ngishilo ngathi isiqu sakho i-represent stability, ukuzazi wena ukuthi mina ngisuka kephi, mina ngifunani, mina ngingubani. And then the other one is a sacral chakra represented by orange. It represents sexuality and your creativity. So lokho engikubalayo is not limited to that. I'm just saying lokho oku-focused kukhona. Then the solar plexus represents uyelo. Uyelo represents wisdom and power, which is what we all need in empilweni zethu. The heart chakra represented by green represents love and healing. So uphila kahle kahle, that's why you'll find that isihlahla lethami sisakhula sisanokuphila sisuke si-green. Green ubaluleke kabi empilweni. Green nje uwodwa if ubuka represent ukuphila nokukhula nokuba fresh. And then throat chakra is represented by blue. Throat ilapha emphinjweni, yona igxila kakhulu regarding communication and expression. Lapho uzobheka khona ukuthi lokhu uyakudinga nawe empilweni yakho ukuthi uyakwazi ukuba umuntu oyikhulumelayo, umuntu okhonayo ukuzimela. Ukuthi uma ubhekene nesimo sokuthi ukhona ukukhuluma ubeke uvu lakho ukuthi no, angithandi ukuphathwa kanje, ngifuna ukuphathwa kanje. Yabo, abanye abantu they lack that. Abantu bancamele ukufela ngaphakathi, which is wrong, which will make you fall to i-depression, ugcine ugula. Kufika kanjani indaba zama-depression? Kuqala khona kamoya, because there's this energy in you olokhane uyiphazamisa ungafuni ukuthi iqaqeke kahle, khona ukusebenza emzimbeni wakho kamoya ukuze nasenyameni uzoba umuntu okhululekile emoyeni. And then we have the third eye, which is represented by upurple. Third eye awareness, third eye imele amaphupho ethu. Third eye ijule kakhulu naye njengoba wonke amanye ejulile, ayikho ejule udlula enye, kepha nayo third eye ukuthi yona ibonakalisa kakhulu. Lapho ufikelwa khona izibonakaliso, ilapho ugcina usuhambulelwa khona kamoya, ugcine noma usenyameni ukhone ukubona kamoya. Third eye iphinde ibe nayisimo semiqondo yethu uqobo, ukuthi wena ukwazi kangakanani ukuhlukanisa phakathi kwesimo sokubona lokho okwakhile engqondweni nokubona lokho okuyiwona kona. Ngoba ekugcineni sizofind sometimes siyazakhela thina izithombe emqondweni wethu kanti zingezizo. Ngesinye isikhathi ithola ukuthi akuzona isithombe esizakhela emqondweni wethu, kepha umoya ukunikeza izibonakaliso, which is ama-visions. Then we have a crown chakra, which represents spirituality and the knowledge. Crown chakra ibaluleke kakhulu. I-crown chakra ngingasho ukuthi it's the last stage, even though it's not, but ngingasho ukuthi it's the last stage because the last one of the 7 chakras lawa akhona emzimbeni yethu. Lokho kunye kungaphezulu kwamakhanda wethu, lapho usuke usungene deep kamoya. Even nayo i-crown chakra usuke usuka moya impela, lapho usuke usukwazi ngisho nokuze umoya lapho usukhuluma khona nawe khona ukukhuluma nawo, ugcina usubona iy'mfihlakalo zakamoya. I-crown chakra ihambisana kakhulu ne-third eye ngoba kumelile kusebenzisane, konke kumelile kusebenzisane, kufanele kube khona i-balance phakathi kwalama chakras. I'm not going to be making this video too long. Ngizogcina nje lapho, ngizobe sengiyaqhubeka ku-part 3 of le video le. If uficele part le ngicela ngiqale ku-part 1 ukuze uzobona ukuthi sikephi. Ngibonge kakhulu senilalele. As I said, angiqondile ukwenza lama-video lawa ukuba abe biased to any traditional cultures, and if kukhona lapho engigxoba khona kabi ngizacela bandla uyeke i-video. Angimelile ukuvusa ama-debates kuma-comments, but I would really appreciate if you would like inkosi yami bakithi and subscribe khona ngizobona nami ngigqugquzeleke ukuthi nami ngiqhubeke. But either way ngizoqhubeka ngoba lokhu kumelile ngikudedelile umoya ungiholele kuyona leyo nto. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe.